Hey budgetarians, welcome back to another episode. Today we're talking about something every parent struggles with: packing for a family trip. What should you bring? What should you skip? How do you avoid overweight baggage fees? Let's break it down in the most budget-friendly way possible. Before you even think about clothes or shoes, start with the essentials. These are the items that can completely ruin your trip if you forget them. Travel documents like passports, IDs, and tickets should always be packed first and kept together in one easy-to-reach place. I recommend putting them in your carry-on so you're never digging through a suitcase at the airport. Next comes your wallet with a mix of cash and cards, just in case one payment method doesn't work. Your phone is obviously a must, but don't forget the chargers. A dead phone in a new place is no fun, especially when you're relying on maps and bookings. For families, a small medicine kit is non-negotiable. Include basic pain relievers, fever medicine for kids, allergy meds, and anything your family takes regularly. Add in basic toiletries so you're comfortable on arrival. And always pack snacks for kids. Hungry kids can turn any trip into chaos. Reusable water bottles are another budget win because they save you from buying overpriced drinks on the go. These basics might not be exciting, but they're what keep your trip running smoothly. This is where most families overpack. We imagine every possible situation and pack for all of them, just in case. The truth is, you can get by with far fewer clothes than you think. A simple rule that works really well is the 3-2-1 method. 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and 1 jacket per person. When you choose items that all match each other, you can create multiple outfits from just a few pieces. Neutral colors and simple styles are your best friends here. Another smart move is choosing clothes that dry quickly. Lightweight fabrics mean you can wash clothes in the sink or at your accommodation and wear them again the next day. This alone can cut your packing in half. Bulky items are another common mistake. Heavy jackets, thick sweaters, and big jeans take up a lot of space and add weight. If you truly need them, wear them on travel day instead of packing them. Otherwise, leave them behind. Remember, doing laundry once or twice on a trip is usually cheaper than paying for extra luggage. Now let's talk about what you should absolutely skip. Too many toys are a big one. Parents often pack half the toy box, but kids usually end up playing with 1 or 2 things at most. The rest just take up space. Shoes are another trap. You don't need a different pair for every outfit. 1 comfortable walking pair and maybe 1 extra is more than enough for most trips. Full-size toiletries are heavy and unnecessary. Most places sell shampoo, soap, and toothpaste. And many accommodations provide them anyway. Big towels are also a waste of space unless you're going somewhere very specific. Smart packing isn't just about what you bring, it's about how you pack it. Packing cubes are a game changer. They keep everything organized and help you fit more into less space. You'll also spend less time unpacking and repacking during the trip. Refillable containers are another easy win. Pour your favorite toiletries into small bottles instead of buying travel-sized versions or rebuying everything at your destination. When it comes to clothes, rolling them instead of folding can save a surprising amount of space. It also helps reduce wrinkles, which means you don't need to worry about ironing. If your family can manage it, try using one suitcase for everyone. It might sound challenging, but it often saves money on baggage fees and makes moving through airports much easier, especially when you're juggling kids. Kids don't need nearly as much as we think. One comfort toy is usually enough to help them feel safe and relaxed in a new place. One small activity kit, like coloring supplies or a puzzle, is perfect for downtime or travel delays. A jacket is important, even for warm destinations, because airplanes and evenings can get cold. A simple pair of slippers or indoor shoes can also make kids more comfortable at the hotel or rental. Snacks deserve their own mention again because they save money and prevent meltdowns. When you're prepared, travel days become much calmer and more enjoyable. And that's your complete Budgetarian family packing guide. Packing doesn't have to be overwhelming or expensive. With a little planning and the right mindset, you can travel lighter, cheaper, and with way less stress. If you'd like a downloadable family packing checklist, just comment "checklist" below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with other parents who could use a little packing help. Until next time, travel more, spend less, and do it the Budgetarian way.